Paul Samuelson, born May 15, 1915, Gray, Indiana, USA. Death 3rd of December 2009, Belmont, Massachusetts, USA. Nationality American. Children Robert Samuelson, George Samuelson, Paul Samuelson, William Samuelson. Award Nobel Prize for Economic Sciences, Joe Bettersclatt Medal under. Education Harvard University 1996, 1941, University of Chicago 1930 left under.
In this age of specialization, I sometimes think of myself as the last generalist in economics. Ward Paul Anthony Samuelson, professor of economics at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, with interests that range from mathematical economics down to current financial journalism. My real interests are research and teaching. His work in economic theory has been in modern welfare economics, linear programming, Keynesian economics, economics dynamics, international trade theory, logistic choice and maximization. In terms of economic philosophy, Professor Samuelson calls himself a modern economist in the right wing of the Democratic New Deal economists. He was born in Gary, Indiana in 1915. He received the degree of Bachelor of Arts from Chicago University in 1935 and the degrees of Master of Arts in 1936 and Doctor of Philosophy in 1941 from Harvard University. He was a Social Science Research Council Predoctoral Fellow from 1935 to 1937, a member of the Society of Fellows, Harvard University, 1937 to 1940, and a Ford Foundation Research Fellow from 1958 to 1959. He received honorary Doctor of Laws degrees from Chicago University and Oberlin College in 1961 and from Indiana University and East Anglia University in 1966. He was awarded the David A. Wills Prize in 1941 by Harvard University and the John Bettersclatt Medal by the American Economics Association in 1947. As the living economist under 40, Wu has made the most distinguished contribution to the main body of economic thought and knowledge. Even while a graduate student at Harvard, he had already won international renown and had made significant contribution to economic theory. converted by contradiction, overlaps, and fallacies in the classical language of economics. He sought unification and clarification in mathematics. In his first major work, Foundation of Economics Analysis, published in 1947, he told economists that they had been practicing mental gymnastics of a visually depraved people, and that they were like highly trained athletes who never won a race. He was not claiming mathematics as the cure-all and all of economics analysis, but he was insisting that mathematics was essential to an understanding of what economics was all about.
Professor Samuelson has served widely as a consultant. He worked for the National Resource Planning Board from 1941 to 1943, in charge of wartime planning for continuing full employment, the War Production Board, and Office of War Mobilization and Reconstruction in 1945. Economic and General Planning Program, the United States Treasury, 1945 to 1952. The Bureau of the Budget in 1952. The Research Advisory Panel to the President's National Goals Commission from 1959 to 1960. The Research Advisory Board Committee for Economic Development in 1960. He was a member of the National Task Force on Economic Education from 1960 to 1961, and has been a consultant to the Rand Corporation since 1949. He is an informal consultant for the United States Treasury and the Council of Economic Advisors. He is also a consultant to the Federal Reserve Bank. He was economic advisor to Senator candidate and President-elect Kennedy, and was the author of the January 5, 1961 Samuelson Report on the State of the American Economy to President-elect Kennedy. His consultation for the government has brought him national recognition as an economic advisor. In 1965, he was elected president of the International Economic Association, contributing in 1958 to a symposium sponsored by the Committee for Economic Development on what is the most important economic problem to be faced by United States in the next 20 years. Professor Samuelson answered the threat of inflation in an interview in 1960 with U.S. News World Report. Professor Samuelson talked about a new kind of inflation, what he calls cost push, as contrasted to the familiar kind of inflation, where too much spending power pulls up prices. In wax, cost push inflation is a force that oppresses year in and year out. Whenever we are at his employment to pass a price, it's a prescript, not a prescript. But the bad thing about it is that instead of setting in only after you have reached overfall employment, the suspicion is dawning that it may be a problem that plagues us even when we haven't arrived at a satisfactory level of employment.
On the question of unemployment level, Professor Samuelson made this comment in an interview with Ocean Network Report in December 1960. I think with those questions that unemployment of more than 6% is something to be concerned about. You do not push the panic button, but you do not relax and enjoy it either. And myself do not believe in a number game in which you give a maximum tolerable percentage, because I think truly is thus far with the terms. I will hesitate to specify the figure today, but I will say this: it will be, in my mind, less than a 4% figure. That is for the period I had. I will not realistically then will hope for a 2% figure in the near future. As a certain European coaster, I have been able to do, but I do think that if we are pretty zealous in this matter and insist upon getting low figures, say 36%, the over-requisite in accomplishing that might lead to a net output just by now when we could hope to go below 3%. He is the author of hundreds of articles in journals and magazines. He lives with his wife and 6 children, including 3 boys in Belmont, Mass. From Nobel Lectures Economics 1969 on 1989. Editor Asher Lindbeck World Scientific Publishing Co. Singapore 1992. This autobiography was written at the time of the award and first published in the book First Lecture Nobel. It was later edited and republished in Nobel Lectures to get this document always stand the sources also above. Paul Samuelson died on the 10th of December 2009.